Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be removing a hold from a PayPal account. As you can see here, you can see cash has been on hold. See what is on hold. Once the first step we'll click, once you come to your screen and find that some cash is on hold, just click on it. Then we'll see this client had have sent received an invoice. I was able to draft them an invoice and they were able to send some cash. So we look at this transaction. We can see that get your funds sooner. The payment is on hold. Update your shipping information in order to get funds as soon as possible. You can see what they require is you update your shipping information in the so that the order status will funds will get you will be able to get your funds as soon as possible. So what we'll do, we'll come and first review the invoice details. For you, when you're transacting either the buyer or the seller, or especially the seller, you need to adhere to some rules. In order a client disputes, you'll be protected by PayPal's seller's agreement. So we can see there was an invoice where it was drafted by, and we can see it's paid, and you can see payment for a blog post to a client to a client. So what will happen? We will come here and see get funds sooner. Once we click get funds sooner, it say provide more information about what you sold and you can get your funds as quick as possible in one day. We'll say what we delivered was a service and virtual product. Then we'll see the order status. Order status, it reads you will get the funds in 3 to 7 days. That's the order status. But you can see now at least the cash was on hold, but now they are saying that in 3 to 7 days they will be able to get the cash. So in case you was details that will be shipped, you'll come here and be able to complete. Confirm the order status. Click mark your transaction as complete. If the service has been rendered or virtual good delivered. So I've delivered. Today is on 12th. 12th. The month is on of November. Today is on 9th. Today is on 9th. Then the month is December. Then the year is 2020. Up to now, mark your transaction as complete if the service has been rendered or virtual. So our essence of the tutorial today is either to remove the hold limit status, or maybe to completely remove it. So what we'll do, we'll come here and send and click submit. Once we click submit, the order status of that order, it says you have successfully updated your order information. An email will be sent to your customer informing that you provided. Go to the activity. You'll be able to an email has been sent to the buyer or the client that had delivered a blog post. We can see that let us now see whether the cash is saying it will be available in 3 to 7 days since we've updated our status. What now remains is on the other party. They are supposed to update that information, and immediately the cash will be out and ready for access. Thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you. In case you have any query, ensure you reach me out via my official Gmail account, njogukarungu@gmail.com, or in my WhatsApp, in my newest videos. You'll find in the description link, you'll find my WhatsApp number. I'll be able to assist you, especially those people who are having hopes, or maybe cash is not withdrawing. That is the transaction mobile payment of PayPal to M-Pesa Kenya. I'll be able to assist you. And in case you need to verify your PayPal account or open a new one, I'm there to assist you. Thank you.